Who cares what happens at very, very, very high energies that we seldom see even in the totality of the universe, except for the first few microseconds of the universe. But we spend more time and money on those questions than we spend about how to heal ourselves when we have an incurable cancer.
Join us as we delve into the depths of thought and the hidden reality, where the boundaries between mind and world disappear. In this video, we will explore Amit Goswami's fascinating vision of how our thoughts can shape the fabric of existence. Amit Goswami, renowned quantum physicist and philosopher, is a pioneer in exploring quantum mysteries. His theory unveils the deepest secrets of the universe, revealing how the human mind plays a crucial role in creating reality.
In quantum physics, things wait in possibility until a conscious being has actually looked. This is only possible in quantum physics. Classical thinking will get you nowhere. So what happens then, the construction is that the universe waits in possibility, along with Big Bang, creation of galaxies, creation of stars, the planets, and enough solidification of the planet, creation of the atmosphere. All of that waits in possibility until the first living creature, that one cell that happened something like 4 billion years ago on Earth or other planets too. It's quite possible. And how does Big Bang happen then? Big Bang happened going backward in time from that collapse event all the way to the origin 15 billion years ago. So Big Bang exists where? Did Big Bang ever happen? Big Bang happened only figuratively speaking in our memories. So how do we know that Big Bang happened? Of course, memories of Big Bang event, namely cosmic microwave radiation, that can be observed.
In quantum physics, reality is like a blank canvas, waiting for our thoughts to paint it. Our observations and intentions directly influence the behavior of subatomic particles, giving life to the concept of the collapse of the wave function.
Ordinary state of our consciousness, and that's what we choose. And many people indeed jumped onto that idea when a physicist coined the phrase, we choose our own reality. Sounds wonderful. So people started choosing motor cars and big houses and started intending that kind of thing. The movie Secret actually propagates this even in the year of 2006, 2007. So although the original idea died down in the 70s, it has been revived now.
But beware, dear viewer, not all thoughts are harmless. Now, let's enter a dark tale where an individual, upon discovering the power of their own thoughts, unleashes sinister forces that threaten their very existence. As our hero advances on their journey, they encounter other beings gifted with extraordinary abilities. These mysterious guides share ancestral secrets about the power of the mind and its connection to the cosmos. But as their wisdom expands, the challenges become more complex. Our story reaches a crucial point. Our protagonist realizes that true mastery lies in using the power of thought for the benefit of humanity. They are faced with a choice that will define the destiny not only of themselves, but of all beings.
So we have that problem. What one has to do is to examine the situation a little bit deeply. It's more subtle. If we say that we choose at the individual ego level, then the paradox arises that suppose there is a dichotomy situation. Let's say a traffic light which has two possibilities, two quantum possibilities, red and green. And you are approaching from one street and your friend is approaching from the perpendicular street. Being busy people, both will want green, but whose choice will come? This paradox, which is called paradox of Wigner's friend, because the Nobel laureate physicist Eugene Wigner first gave us this paradox. This paradox is not easily solvable, because if you say, well, okay, your choice is the one that counts, you'll be called solipsistic. Now that's okay, but your friend will also think the same way, that she is the head honcho of the universe and not you. paradox is just shifted from who gets to choose to who gets to be head honcho of the universe.
In the climax of this epic, our hero confronts their own dark alter ego in a mental showdown. With determination and the newly acquired understanding that thoughts can be transformed, they engage in a final battle. With victory achieved, our protagonist realizes the true magnitude of their potential. They have learned that, despite the challenges, our thoughts can be our most powerful allies. Reality adjusts to their newfound understanding, and darkness yields to light.
This interconnection of consciousness, or consciousness being an interconnectedness that transcends space and time and does not require connection through signals, is new and only quantum physics has it. This concept cannot be generated through any kind of Newtonian physics or any kind of extension of Newtonian physics. It's radically new, it's called quantum non-locality. So consciousness is non-local. This is what is lacking in the common sense expectation that we, in our ordinary local identity with the brain, can change a possibility into actual event and therefore can choose profitable things for us.
This story reveals the intricate dance between the mind and reality, where the threads of thought intertwine with the fabric of the cosmos. Amit Goswami's vision invites us to explore the infinite potential that resides within our minds. It serves as a reminder that we are the creators of our own experiences, capable of shaping the world around us.
Science ultimately serves people. If people are served, there will be grassroots movement from the people themselves, that what is going on here? Which science do we prefer? Which science is serving us in our everyday life? And which science is just more and more dealing with esoteric questions such as how many angels can dance on a pin? This is what much of elementary particle physics is about. But you see the struggle these people are going through. They are the people who recognize that a radical shift of philosophy, a radical shift of the way of doing science is coming. The people who picked up their attitude are people like John Bell, people like Alan Aspect, who verified quantum non-locality, and people like myself, Andy Stapp, Fred Alan Wolf, who are actually involved. Ludwig Vasa I have already mentioned, J.C. Blatt I have already mentioned, and these are the people who picked up that same skill.
Thank you for joining us on this intriguing journey into the mind and hidden reality. If this video has enlightened your understanding or sparked your imagination, we invite you to subscribe, like, and share. And remember, dear viewer, as we plunge into the unknown and explore the mysteries surrounding thought and reality, there is a power within each of us waiting to be unleashed. With an open mind and positive intentions, we can create an extraordinary future and transform the world around us.